Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza sauce from canned tomatoes. This easy guide will help you create a delicious, homemade sauce in no time. We'll focus on simple steps and fresh flavors, ensuring your pizza tastes amazing. You'll learn how to select the best tomatoes and combine them with a few essential ingredients for a perfect base. Let's get started on crafting your next pizza masterpiece. First, let's prepare those canned tomatoes. Gently crush them by hand in a bowl or use a food processor for a few quick pulses. The goal is a slightly chunky texture, not a smooth puree, so don't overblend. Remember to remove any hard cores from the tomatoes before you start. This simple step ensures a consistent and delightful sauce texture for your pizza. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, I want to recommend a fantastic book, *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It can truly change how you think about money and your financial future. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, for the flavor, heat a tablespoon of good olive oil in a saucepan. Add minced garlic and a teaspoon of dried oregano, cooking until fragrant. Stir in your crushed tomatoes, a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick, and season with salt. A small amount of sugar can balance the acidity of the tomatoes, creating a well-rounded taste. Simmer gently for 15 minutes. Let your sauce simmer gently on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to combine and deepen. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Before taking it off the heat, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings like salt or sugar. For a fresh touch, stir in some torn fresh basil right at the very end. Your perfect pizza sauce is almost ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.